Not feeling that great today, but really excited to show you what County's doing here. They're really making a big splash. I'm opening the gate right now. Tons of products. I mean, they're literally coming into this market like gangbusters. All face mix, white cement, absolutely incredible products. Take a look. They have definitely are making a huge splash here. If you want to know more about County Materials, absolutely reach out. This is for a dealer depot. This is County Direct, so you'll be able to come in, buy this material. We'll then have it staged for our dealers and pulled, so that way when they come in, any of you guys come in, you're loaded quickly. There's no waiting right here in Sterling Heights. This is our yard back here. So we're getting all of our other material organized. This material all has a place, and we're starting to organize all of our material as well. So it's pretty impressive. So everything has a slot and a place. Really nice to be able to see an accurate inventory.